If there's ever a smartwatch to buy under $35 in 2024, this is the one to get. That's right, it's got a flashlight, and the name of it is the EIGIIS KE3 watch. So there's many models that look quite similar to this here, but this brand in particular is by far the most affordable one and comes with plenty awesome extra accessories. So this is your charging cable. You got some pins here and this one here that I could never figure out what it is, but it does come with that extra stainless steel belt that you saw earlier. I personally purchased this here for under $30 from the Temu app, and I would recommend to keep an eye on it before buying it and get it for under $30. Some sellers will try to sell you something quite similar to this here for over $35. This is by far the most premium smartwatch, packed, loaded with features, and definitely is worth it in my own book. Well, a book of, affordable items that is worth the money. It's got some pre-installed clock faces, as you can see here for yourself. And this is rather more of a guy smartwatch, but ladies, don't hesitate to buy it because this thing is quite epic looking. And you can see it's got a quite high resolution. The display is bright, and that's the flashlight icon right here. I'll just quickly demonstrate to you guys how the flashlight looks. And if you're buying the smartwatch for the flashlight, that's definitely a bonus, but that's not the, shall I say, the icing on top. So you can see it's quite a bright light and quite effective, but by far the features and just overall the experience using this smartwatch is what makes this thing recommended to buy. And that rotating crown does quite similar to that of an Apple smartwatch here. You can see it's loaded with the music player, checking your blood oxygen and your heart rate and all that stuff. It's got a different color for the blood oxygen, which is the red. And when you switch to the heart rate there, it's going to be in a green color. Let me just activate that here quickly as I was trying to get that to start. Yeah, you got to put it in your hand first, by the way. Don't do like me. But once you get it, you'll notice the green light color instead. You can see that display resolution is quite awesome. Loving it. Very premium feel, by the way, and you will not be disappointed when you get your hands on this smartwatch. And on top of all of that, it's got an app to complement it. But let me just take you to the menu settings here quickly. You got different styles here that you can choose from and have a rather overall better navigating experience. It doesn't do that pinch in, pinch out kind of thing as other smartwatches would do. Maybe I did it wrong. It's got a calculator and a few other cool pre-installed, I guess you can call them apps onto the smartwatch itself. All right. And again, if you're looking to purchase one of these here, do get it under $30. This is the app. It's called the Fit Pro app. You can get it from the Play Store, and of course, iPhone users, you'll have to get it from the Apple Store, I guess. And once you have it synced, connected, it's going to give you the model name, and you get access to a few features and settings that you might not have on the watch itself. It's actually quite, how shall I say, works well in sync with the app and the watch. It's not like one of those cheap super knockoff Chinese smartwatch that you get the app and still you don't get much out of it. You can also change the press and hold function of the buttons, the physical keys on the side here, and you get your system info here and a few other very unique features that makes this smartwatch stand out and worth buying. All in all, I recommend getting this smartwatch, and if you plan to spend more than $35, look elsewhere as you can get better than this. But for under 35, this is definitely a go for, especially compared to all the other budget friendly smartwatches I've purchased throughout 2024. So go for it. You will not regret it. Like, sub, let me know in the comment section if you have something similar, and thanks for watching.